Today we're going to take a photo of your panda bear and add some digital effects to it so that we have a new picture with something else added. First, you're going to need to find the camera. You can type in the letter C to search for it. And then take a picture of your panda bear painting. Then you're going to also need to go to Safari. Safari is the blue circle at the bottom. And you're going to search for something in Safari that you would like to add to your panda picture. I think this time I will add a baby panda. After typing in the word baby panda, I then have to click on the word images so I can see lots and lots of pictures. And then I've got to select one where the baby panda has the entire body showing, because when I add it to my photo, it won't make sense to have its legs cut off or missing body parts. When I find the one that I want, I'm going to hold my finger down on that photo for about 3 seconds until a little screen pops up and I look for the words Add to Photos. Now you're ready to find Juxtaposer. It's at the top row there with the white person's face with a blue sky and a yellow sun. Click on that and it's going to take you to somebody else's artwork. And we need to make sure we go to the very top first button and hit Start New Session. Then when it says Background, click on it and choose Load Photo. And because you've already taken the photo, in your photos, you've got the picture of your panda bear. Click on that. Then you're going to hit Top Image and also choose Load Photo. Go to All Photos, or Recently Added is fine, and click on the image you were able to get from Google Images, the baby panda. And then in the very top corner, it's going to say, Use these images in blue writing, and you're going to select that. Then we want to go to the double squares at the top and choose the word Red Mask. With Red Mask, you can now tap on the eraser and erase everything that's not a baby panda. Go around the entire edge using your finger as an eraser. It will turn everything red that you've already erased. You can even change the size of your eraser if you find that it's too big. But I find it's easier to actually zoom in on the panda bear when you want the eraser to get smaller, and the picture will get larger and the eraser will get smaller, and it will give you more control when you're ready to go around the edges. So I'll show you what I mean in just a second. First, I'm trying to clean out all the easy parts while the eraser is still very big. Now I'm zooming in on the panda, the eraser gets smaller, and I have more control around the edges. I'll put this in fast speed for a moment. To move the picture around, touch the screen with 2 fingers and drag it to where you want it, and then use 1 finger to do the erasing. 2 fingers to drag, 1 finger to erase. 2 fingers also are used to expand or constrict the size of the picture. Oops, right there I just got some eraser on top of the leg. So there's a button at the top to allow you to unerase and get rid of the red eraser, and then you can go back and erase more properly. Try to get right next to the edge, and when you're done, you're going to go back to the word Red Mask and change it to normal. Now you've got to look for this little plus sign at the top of the screen with 4 arrows on every line. That's what you have to have clicked in order to move your little stamp around. You can make it bigger or smaller and move it to wherever you like. And then if you go to the very top button at the top of the page, you can go to Stamp Top Image, and it will make a second copy of your stamp. And you can stamp it repeatedly all around the page, and you could even change the size of your stamp. You even have the ability to flip the stamp over so it's facing the other direction. When you're finally finished, you're going to go up to the second button at the top of the page and choose Save Image. If you're not finished with your project, you can also choose the word Save Session, and that will allow you to come back another week and continue working on it. Once it's in your photos, it's always available to put on Artzonia to share with your parents and see it at home. Good luck!